Okay, so now that they're tied, we are going to apply the dye. Here is my spiral one. Here is my accordion style one. So with the accordion style one, you are going to apply the color as if there are stripes on it. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm just going to use 2 colors for this one. You might get a little bottle that looks like this, or it might have a little nozzle on the top like this. Either one will work great. So I'm going to start by applying the color here. And I'm alternating my colors, so I'm just gonna use every other right now, and then I'm gonna kind of just like let that spread for a second, and then I'm gonna go in with my other color. So when you're doing this, you need to make sure that there are absolutely no white spaces on the outside. Otherwise, you are not going to have very much color on your mask, okay? So all right, so then once I've applied it to that side, what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over. And you can see that some of that color came through, but not all of it. So then you're just going to match up those same colors where you did before. It's always a good idea to start with a lighter color. So if you're using yellow, that should be the one that you start with, okay? So then I'm just going to drip this over top. Make sure to get all those white spaces. So now I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's just gonna kind of drip for a bit, and then we should be good to go. So for the spiral, it's a little bit different. This one I have applied colors so that it's half yellow, half blue, and I flip it around and I do it on the other side. You wanna apply the dye to this almost like it is like a pie piece. So since you see this one, how it's done with 2 colors, I'm gonna show you how to do it with 3 colors. So I'm going to use pink, yellow, and turquoise. So to do that, I'm going to start with my pie piece. It's not going to be perfect on these because this is such a small area. So I have that there. Then I go to my yellow, and yes, the colors are going to mix. So we can see the green there, and then I'm going to use my pink. Kind of squirt that on there, okay? And then you're going to flip that over, and you probably don't need to apply as much on this side, but you do want to make sure that it is covered. And that is it. So then you will just let that drip for a bit, and then we will put it in our Ziploc bags.